That's your first step. Determine if you need all your holes alright. Well, you're going to need to just use this plate or the extensions. As you can see, mine just, and then you basically determine which screws you need. Not these are your wall mounts. And it's going to be these type of M4, M6, M4, M6. So either the short ones or the long ones. Only really old, thick TVs use the long ones, the real heavy ones. Or you can use these spacers. You're probably supposed to use the washer too, or like this. Just use the appropriate ones. On this one I'm using the M6s here. If need be, I could use the longer M6s with the spacers. This is super much. Big wide bolts here. So there's where you want to mount it. Definitely not very fancy. Basically, hold the sucker up and screw it to the wall.